All right, we in the Navy Pier, guys, today. I could go live on YouTube and Facebook, but we'll do the recording so we can see how they come out. Oh, beautiful weather in Chicago today. Seeing a lot of people getting together, enjoying the weather. Lakefront. All right, folks. I'm gonna take a little glance in downtown Chicago. A bunch of buildings over there. Look at that. All right. I'm gonna put my phone in my pocket. Look at that speedboat over there. Harry Carey's Tavern. He's got a tavern in here. Harry Carey. Wow. No drone zone. Oh man, look at the boats over here. Nice. Harry Carey Place. Reunion. Oh, we got a chicken. Moon cocktail. Oh, they got cocktails in there. Shoreline Sightseeing. Oh, you buy a ticket, you can get on the shoreline, huh? Wow. What a museum. Campus board here. Wow. Oh, there's a nice view over here. You want the hot dog one? Hey, look at that. They got my car over there.
Where?
Over there, the blue one.
Oh, yeah.
A little guy, but... Shoreline Skyline. I wonder how much the tickets are. What the hours? Let's take a look at it over there. River tour. Skyline cruise, 45 minutes.
32.50.
32.50? Yeah. Okay. Moon switch. Hi.
Next at 12:30.
It's okay, we're just trying to get idea. Get that nice boat over there. Oh, you know, I forgot what's the hours over there? What was the latest that you could go on? Let me see. Oh, you got some afternoon and evening hours over here too, huh?
Do.
What is the, let's see, 5:45, 6:30?
Going about every 45 minutes.
These are the starting hours?
Yeah.
How long the tour last, roughly?
The Skyline cruise is 45 minutes.
45 minutes? And this one?
architecture tours, we have some different kinds for.
I see.
We have a 60-minute architecture tour, and then a 90-minute architecture tour.
Oh, I see the minutes over here. I see.
Yeah, and then we have a 75-minute tour. That's like a kind of a mixture of these.
Oh
two.
yeah. What are those two?
Yeah.
Oh, my eye hurts me. Oh my goodness. All right. And these are the starting times, right? Where the tour starts?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh, look at this guy. Skyline Tour, Marland. Okay. Yeah, they got McDonald's over here. Look at that. They have a big ballroom in the years ago when I was over there. A lot of for politicians and weddings and stuff. Dancing events and stuff.
Oh wait, this is for the. This is not with the performer. You're with the stars, right? Oh, okay, perfect. Sorry, I'm gonna like.
What is this family pavilion?
I will go get you with the push cart right now. West Garage is the best place, and parking doors 1 to 3 are the closest.
Boats over here. That's a restaurant, I think, right? The family pavilion? Yeah, pizza sauce for the belly, I bet you. Yeah, that's probably what it is, yeah. Oh, we go around. Oh, look at that robot, I think, no? Or there's somebody. Look at these guys. Are they dressed in there? Free hug, huh? Oh, interesting. And you guys over there. See, you get your chance to make some videos, some pictures.
Yeah.
Make some more people jealous, huh? How about it? Say, hey, I've been on vacation myself too.
Yeah, why not?
It's serious. Yeah.
For my kids.
I'm telling you. Yeah. That will change the attitude real fast. Huh? Look at that Ferry wheel. My goodness. Yeah. Well, we got a little bit of everything for everybody.
Whenever I'm around car on my pier, you can have it.
Yeah. You know what? I forgot to Ask them if you could get with a wheelchair on the boat. Probably. We'll see. Look at them speedboats over here. Oh, these are the different tours over here. Uh-huh. All right. Who asked these guys? Probably not. How much those tours are? 75 minutes. Oh, these are the same tour, I think, don't it?
This one is different. I think this one goes fast.
Go faster?
Yeah,
Probably,
this
yeah.
one, yeah.
Looks from the boats, they go
Yeah.
faster, yeah. I wonder how much they want for these tours. We could ask, I think. Yeah, this girl over there. 30 minutes tour. Sea dog. Oh, they got some tickets over here, I think. All aboard this exciting tour. You could ask them. I don't see any prices. You want to ask them?
We have a 30-minute cruise that's for lakefront people. Our junior ride is also 30 minutes, and that's considered to it. Although that one is a little time different.
If you wanted, we have a 30-minute one.
And then we have our 75-minute architectural tour. That one is a little longer because it takes the boat for a bit. This was about 47 minutes.
So for the architecture one, that's at
And what's the hours for those tours?
Yeah, so at the lakefront speedboat, 30-minute one is at the top of every hour up until 8 p.m. tonight.
To what time?
Till 8 p.m. tonight.
Oh, I see.
And then our architectural tour, our last one will be at 6:15, but our next one is at 12:15, and every like 2 hours after.
Oh, every 2 hours. Okay. Any of those tours are wheelchair accessible?
Yeah, they are.
They are. Okay. We might be back. Okay.
Yeah, sure. Did you want to take one of these?
Please, yeah.
Of
Thank you.
course.
You want to stick it in the back over there or read it,
You
whatever.
already have the watchdog. Now you got to get on the sea dog.
Huh?
You have the watchdog on your hat.
Well, you look at it. Oh,
Now
wait
you
a
gotta
minute.
afford a sea dog.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
if it does start up for today, it's at 60 right now.
Okay.
Hey.
That's going after 60, so these are 30 minutes long, which is 75 minutes long. And the fireworks is tonight, that's an hour long,
Right.
and they're 67.
So for the 30-minute one, is that the one at 12:30?
Let me see. Hold on one second. I want to get you his card.
Yeah. So the one
Oh, man.
out, we're going to see if
What do they do, one?
Okay.
so
1:30.
see at the time.
Okay.
Oh, here he is.
Okay. Can you
I
just
got
answer
you. There you go. We got
are any of them
everybody.
sold out?
Most of them.
Okay.
This is the people who works with me.
I'll just look at
Oh my goodness! Like an action.
Anybody and anything. Young, old, disabled, whatever.
Yeah.
About 35 years experience.
This is so cool.
This is life people over here.
Yeah, I just saw his picture on one of them. I was like, hey, that's you.
that.
He's the ugly one.
Yeah. Oh my
No.
goodness. These are so cool.
And then the thing that you don't see on the card, you can look me up. I live in Chicago with Jerry.
Okay, no, awesome. I'll keep this here.
You're welcome.
Spain as well?
I'm sorry?
You're in Spain as well?
In Spain?
Yeah.
All over the world. I got a corporate office in Pakistan, and
I see that now.
but I'm basically out of Chicago. I live over here for 47 years, so
Wow.
yeah.
Thanks for that. That's
You're welcome.
awesome. Well, we'll be here.
All right, see you.
Do you want to do
Well, that's okay.
2 o'clock.
See, Juan, that's how you meet people. You never know. Odyssey, Lake Michigan. You see the beautiful boat over here? Okay. Ah, let's go in the back. I'm gonna bring my wife later on today. Yeah, she's bitching all the time, so hell. And working and working and working. Excuse me for my language, but yeah, she's gonna say, nah, I'm too tired. BS, I tell her I'm going to the doctor or something. Next thing we're gonna stop by over here. I think that's the best place. It's good that we choose Navy Pier instead of going to the Millennium Park. Let's see if we get through here. Excuse me. What about Honor Blower? Circus, City Circus. What do they have? They getting ready for this tour?
Oh yeah, maybe.
Big guy over here, yeah. Maybe it's some kind of tour, 2-3 days, or maybe not.
It's an hour and 30 minutes, I guess.
Oh, yeah?
When my son graduates from the elementary school, they bring it. So
They
so this
took it
one
in
I
there?
see, yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Yes, we have to pay
Wow.
like 150 for everything.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
But you get like a snakes and stuff, you know, little things. Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at that. Let me scoop over here somehow. If we could get there. Oh, look at this view over here. We kind of sneak in the back. Let me turn around over here. This is a nice boat over here. Hello. Odyssey Lake, Michigan, Chicago. Yeah, I see them when I drive on Lakeshore Drive. I see them by the pier over here, but I didn't know they are moving anywhere.
Yeah.
Holy Goat Tavern and Grill. Okay. Purchase your tickets in just a few clicks. Hi. No, that's okay. Thank you. That's a big sailboat over there. Look at that guy. Oh, they got another ship over here. Look at this. Yeah. Man, the weather is nice. No, I'm going to make her butt to come over here. The original rainbow. Okay. Yeah, it was over here maybe, man, about 15, 20 years ago. All the way in the back over there. A lot of things change over here. Chicago Elite. Nice boats over here. Yeah, see, they got the ramps over there.
Yeah.
You could ride in there. And, oh, yeah. Huh. So when your son graduate from high school? No.
No, from the elementary.
Oh, elementary school.
They bring it, yeah, to that one.
I see. What elementary school did he went to?
Oh,
where roughly?
well, by 61st and
Springfield over there, someplace?
no, you know, by the outer zone. What it is, the outer zone, couple blocks.
It's by Pulaski over there.
West, like, well, yeah.
By Pulaski over there, someplace in that area. Yeah. Spirit of Chicago. This is the view of Chicago. And what do we got over here? There's people dressed in green. Who we got in here? Family. Oh, some kind of program over here. Here at the Navy Pier. I'm glad that we choose this place than the other one. I mean, I've been in Millennium Park a few times, so I think you were with me over here the couple. Yeah, I think so. Oh, what is this over there? Oh, there's a speedboat, see? That's one of those boats. They just deported. Some brides over here. Somebody getting married. Ladies are beautifully dressed. And we at the tip of the Navy Pier. Little fogey. Look at that one. Hey, one. Oh.
Yeah.
I say little fogey out there, see it? Oh.
Yes, I take a video over there and send it to my mom.
There you go, yeah.
Yeah. I send the one that says free hugs. And,
yeah. Oh, yeah, the one over there?
Yeah, he's laughing at her because she says...
Nobody's going to believe you. You're going to think that you got it from YouTube or some shit.
Yeah.
That's okay. Every once in a while, everybody needs a break. The life is too short. Yep. Yeah. The clock don't stop. Look at this guy coming. Man. Yeah, this guy is coming over there. Nice, beautiful sailboat. Okay, folks. We at the tip. Oh, I think this is the Grand Ball over here. That's what, is it? I don't remember. Yeah. Is it? Maybe. Offshore enter here. Oh, look at that.
Yeah, I think it's... Okay.
There's the lighthouses over there, but what is it? It's like by the rocks over there. Those are little, like homes over there, or what? Oh, we get a little closer, we will see. Yeah, I think this is the ballroom in the back of us. On stage. So your mom respond to you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, this time my mom has no vacation, passing the hospital.
Oh, yeah, but
You know, this is okay.
but she's secure. How is she feeling anyway? I mean, it's okay.
It's okay, just she feels so weak.
Well, I'm sure. She's been in the hospital for about a week, though, isn't it?
Yeah, 10 days.
Yeah, see? Yeah, that's a long time, yeah. Oh, look at these guys. They cruising over there. Oh, and that one guy in the back over there, man, he's putting some miles over here. Holy smoke. They're coming close to the shore. You get a little better view of this sailing boat. Okay, folks, so I hope you enjoy your day today. And I'm here in Chicago, Lakeshore, by the Navy Pier. So hello to everybody and thank you for supporting me. If you have any question in the comments, my direct number is 464-204-8278. And I'm going to try to go live in a little bit. Let's see. Sailboats coming a little closer. I mean the speedboats, I'm sorry, sailboats over there. Yeah, some boats are cruising over here.
You just gotta walk it off, dude. You fall down, we get back up.
Yeah, this is our beautiful Lake of Michigan. Walking 10 steps. And downtown Chicago, very last view. Beautiful. Yeah, and I think it's on this side. See, that's the end of that Navy Pier.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's see if we're gonna go live. All right, folks.